got some guts.
Yeah.
650 horsepower. They say 600, and it's far more than that. So as soon as he gets out of the way, his brakes are off a little bit early there. So here we go. We're floored. Stay forward. Stay forward. Light grip on the wheel. Remember to breathe. You gotta breathe. I'm gonna lift at the 5. I'm gonna brake at the 4. Now I'm starting to release the brake already. Starting to release, and I'm finally off right there. Reach around, start squeezing throttle. There's our apex. Just turn it nice and slow and reach around this area. Steering wheel straight, briefly back to the left. Wheel bearings. All the way up to the edge. And then you're going to be slowing down. And we're going to be watching, I'm going to be watching, Chris is going to be here collecting you guys. I'll be watching that first apex and the second apex. You know, looking for your eyes to be up, looking for a smooth brake release, which is again critical. And again, the brakes are going to be aggressive, but remember to be feeding off of the brake as you get down into the corner. That's what's going to make the car really start turning down in to get that apex. And then from there, it's not going to be a whole lot of power because, again, these things make a bunch of power.
Yeah.
So you're going to be really squeezing really slow on that accelerator coming off. As soon as we get through the second left-hander, although we want you to go through the right-hander and left-hander, the exercise is over. We do want you to slow down. However, maintain the correct line. Okay? Don't get crazy. No squealing tires over there. You can squeal them down here. That's fine. I don't mind at all. But through the next right left onto the straightaway where Chris is going to be, just stay fairly mellow. Okay? And I'm going to be on the radio. I'm going to talk you guys through. And so just listen up. And there's a good chance these numbers aren't going to stay on the car at speed.
Flap off, yeah.
And so if you guys recognize that you've lost a number, you know, at the end of it say, you know, there's numbers all over the track down there.